Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Why don't sign me up for this?
It's not that bad.
I'm on to record, okay?
Let me close this door. Go ahead and close that door.
Oh my gosh.
It's not that bad, I promise. And then turn your back towards the window.
Turn your back towards the window, yeah.
Yeah, like that. Gives you the best results.
Oh my gosh. Am I gonna pass out?
Probably.
It's really not that bad.
Probably.
She's all scared. Look at it's Kelsey.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Mr. Mix-a-Lot.
My party's on Broadway.
She's all scared. Look at her.
My party's on Broadway.
Me and kids sensation at home away from home in the black I'm suckers tripping.